Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to perform master reset operation on this device. So how to factory reset this device through the factory mode. Firstly, you have to turn it off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time, like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key, and that's how you enter this factory mode. Here you have to use volume down key to navigate and volume up key to select, and you have to select the last option, factory reset, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.